How to play games in Snapchat with friends in 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing is you have to open up your Snapchat. So over here, select the person with whom you want to play the game. So in the oldest version of Snapchat, there used to be a rocket sign where you were allowed to click and you can play games with your friends. But in this latest version of Snapchat, the feature has been removed and you cannot see the rocket sign, due to which you cannot play games. So if you want to play games in Snapchat, then you can simply go back to your home page and open up any browser. Here I'm opening up Chrome. After that, you have to tap in the search bar and search for the Snapchat oldest version. So here you can see the oldest version of Snapchat, so you can download it in your device, and from there you'll be able to see the rocket option from which you can play games with your friends. So by following this simple step, you can play games with your friends in Snapchat in 2023. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.